In this video, I will show you Localsend application for sharing files between just about anything that can run, so like computers and mobile phones. Here I have created two virtual machines, and as you can see, they are both in the same network as my computer, or should I say my host machine. And if you want Localsend to work, all your devices have to be on the same network. So when I start Localsend on all the machines, this is the window that you get. It's pretty straightforward and very easy to use. On this eye, you get your device name, IP address and port. That is just in case somebody can't find you. Let's say you are in big working environment and you just send somebody your IP to find you easier, for instance. Under the settings, you have here, you can set up your theme. If you want, when you click shutdown, if you want to systemize it to tray or just quit the whole application, do you want to auto start it with computer? This to automatically save files that are sent to you. Here is the destination folder where it will be saved by default. Do you want to close the dialog after everything is transferred? Do you want to have history of files that you sent and received? And some additional informations. Under advanced settings, you get, do you want to encrypt it or not? You can define here port, but I suggest you just leave it as it is. And device type, it doesn't matter. So let's say I want to send some files from my computer to my virtual machines. I go on the Send tab, and here I already see that it recognized that both machines are running Localsend. So if I want to send a file, I just go to File, pick files that I want to send. I can send one or multiple files. Go to Open. Then I can pick to which computer I want to send it. Let's say to this one. And here you get the dialog that somebody wants to send you files. Under options, you can check which files you want to receive. You can also change the folder in which you want to save the files. Or you can just accept. And when it's finished, it will say OK, and you can just click Done. Here, if you have that option to auto save, auto close something, this will just disappear. I just like to know when the transfer is over. This is if I want to send just two files to just one person. Now what I can do is click on the send mode and click on multiple recipients. Now if I choose files, I can just click on the machines that I want to send them to. And as you can see, the same dialog opens that it's from the rich page, and I can just accept it. But that's not all. Now, the next thing that is also nice, you can send the whole folder. Let's say I want to send it to Gorgeous Papaya, accept, and you get it in the downloads folder. And if you go to the downloads, you can see you got the whole folder. Now you can always send just text messages. So I don't know. And you send it to Gorgeous Papaya, and then it says message. Now you wonder, why would you use text and paste if you have a chat program? Well, usually when you have your own devices, let's say desktop and a laptop, you don't have a chat program to yourself opened. So I guess this is the easy way just to send messages between your computers. You think you don't need it until you do. Now, there is another way to send a file, and that is share via link. Let's say I don't have Localsend, and I want to send a package from the machine, a file from the machine to whoever wants to get it. And I want to share my file with the people that don't have Localsend. So I go here and click on share via link. Now I get this link that I can, for instance, copy and paste in the chat and just share it with the people, or I can click on QR code and, for instance, scan it with the mobile phone. I can encrypt it. I'll just skip that part for now and go to my browser. Now, here I can see the request. Firefox Windows. Yes, I masked my browser. And I can approve it or deny it. I will approve it. And in this page, I will get the file that I wanted to share. I can click on it and save it here. Now I can do the same with the folder. I just share it via link, the same address. Approve, yes. And I get those files that are in the folder. If there are more files, everything would be a separate link. And best of all, for the end, if you go to download, you have all the packages in the world that you want. For Windows, you even have portable, and you can get it through all of these, but portable is the most interesting for me. macOS, of course, in the Apple Store, through Brew, Nix. Now, this application works only from macOS 11. It doesn't work on Intel Macs, unfortunately. Linux, you have everything. App image is the most important for me, but you can get it through all this one. From Android Store, even F-Droid, APK, and iOS, of course, only the App Store, but that's normal for Apple. And sugar on the end, it's MIT license. And that's all.